Beyonce settles $100 million lawsuit with video game company Gate5. During the winter of 2011, Beyonce was sued by video game company Gate5 for allegedly bailing on a deal for a dance game called Stay Poor. Beyonce. She claimed the company hadn't secured funding they'd promised her, but they retorted, stating that she'd backed out of the deal on a whim, and that she was too erratic to do business with. Now, after 2 years, it seems they've come to an agreement. As reported by the NY Post, representatives from both parties signed papers in Manhattan Supreme Court today dismissing all claims or counterclaims without attorney's fees. According to Peter Gallagher, an attorney for Gate5, they settled amicably, but the terms of the settlement weren't disclosed. Lawyers for the singer said that her contract gave her the right to bail after Gate5 lost its financial backing and new financiers wanted to eliminate her 40% ownership stake in the franchise. Meanwhile, the video game developer lawyers said that the real problem was that Beyonce made extortion of last-minute demands that would have given her more profit. Beyonce has been battling with Gate5 after she allegedly backed out of a video game called Starfighter. Beyonce, and has now settled with them over the $100 million lawsuit. Gate5's lawyer Peter Gallagher commented on the matter, saying, "We've settled amicably. I can't discuss the terms of the settlement, but it was resolved." The Bow Down singer walked out on the deal just before the holidays, leaving the company in a huge bind. She claimed that the company didn't provide the secured funding that they had promised. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel.